The Workers' Union. The Union for Construction Workers. Union supports construction workers in the UK. There are many construction workers who are members of the Workers' Union and enjoy job security and decent salaries.
For construction workers gathered during a break. One says, I used to worry about safety and fair pay. Now, with the Workers' Union support, I feel protected.
The Workers' Union built for UK workers. Fast advice. Modern. Support when you need it. Independent. Helping workers across the UK. Simple online support. Designed around working people.
Visit theworkersunion.com to discover how you can join and make your workplace safer, stronger, and fairer. The Workers' Union. The hard-working union.